In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a seamless looping video out of your footage. First of all, drag your footage into the timeline, duplicate, move it above, almost to the end. Let's keep 3 seconds or so between the footage below ends. Again, select the top footage, go to Video Basic Opacity and put it to 100. Add a keyframe. Go almost all the way to the end of the bottom footage and add opacity to 100. So now we have, as you can see, we have a seamless transition from one video to another. Then select the bottom one, maybe 3 seconds from the beginning of the video. Split, take the first part, drag it all the way to the end. Take these two parts and move it a little bit backwards so that the last keyframe here still stays within this footage. And on this part right here, we're gonna repeat exactly the same steps we made here. We go to the beginning of it, opacity 100, add a keyframe, and almost at the very end, we make it 100. Select all, right click, create compound clip. Now we have all the footage in one. If we duplicate it, we can see that transition is absolutely seamless. No jump, no cut. And now we can take this compound clip and we can duplicate as many times as you want. Here's a fast trick for you to make things faster. Select all, right click, create compound clip. Now we have everything in one compound clip. Again, duplicate a couple times, then select again, right click, create compound clip. And now you will see we can create even 8-hour video in just seconds.